Hey guys, welcome to another quick inform video. So today we're looking at the Netgear Air Card Mimo Antenna. So this is basically, it shoots out the direction to only one direction. So it's not an omnidirectional antenna. So that means it's not like a 360 antenna or anything like that. So you will have to know where your tower is, your cellular tower, for this to actually work. And I mean, there's a website in the description below called I think it's called celltower.net. I'll put in the description below, so check that out when it'll show you where the antennas are. So this I'm testing out with NetBuddy. So as you can see, this is my little NetBuddy hotspot. Very, very cool. See how much I've used so far. So AT&T got so bright, but basically it's 7 point. I've used, let me see if I can focus it. There you go, 7.24 gigabytes. So it's, remember, hotspot my dude. I do have about 3 bars right now, and then there's the password. So let's go ahead and do a little short unboxing, and then we'll do speed tests with this. So once we have it open, guys, sorry it took forever, I just had to use my teeth. Let's see what we get inside of it. So it's pretty cool. You get a little cardboard right here. So it says Mimo Antenna for 3G/4G air card USB modems and mobile hotspots. So that's what we have. So this is the antenna itself right here. As you can see, it is pretty long, guys. I would say maybe 6 foot long cable. These are the connectors right here. So very, very cool. This is the Mimo antenna. Of course, you would plug this up this way, so this way outside. I believe that's how you do it. Yeah. So, and that you would plug into the bottom of your hotspot right here. So let me unplug it from the charger. So right here, you open that up, and there you go, guys. Check that out. So that's where they would go. So like I said, we're gonna do a couple speed tests with it, and now inside you also get some clips and suction cups. So you get suction cups right here. As you can see, these do come, 2 of them, in your package, which I like. And then of course you get these little clips where you can just clip on something wherever you want. But since we're putting it on the window, we could use the little suction cups. So let's go ahead and try to install them. So this would go on like this. Wow, look how easy that is. Like this. Wait, is that how you do it? Wait, hold it. Or does it go like this? Nope. Definitely goes like this. So there you go. So this would go, yep, to the window, and then this towards your Mimo antenna. So let's go ahead and try it out first with the hotspot without the antenna, and then the hotspot with the antenna. So let's go ahead and, so here's my iPhone 7. So let's go ahead and connect to the hotspot. So I'm gonna show you that it is. So there it is, hotspot my dude. There it is down there. So let's go ahead and plug it up. So unlimited. I just made this password up for the view. So it's, for the video, so it's called limited 25. So let it connect. And there we go. Whoa. Did I click the wrong one? There you go. Let's click the wrong one. Yep. There you go. I don't know why I connected to the other one. So I'll go ahead and forget my old password for my other one, for my home Wi-Fi. That way it doesn't auto connect to it. So there you go. Hotspot my dude is connected to it. And you should see on the hotspot, it is one thing connected. So there you go. So like I said, I'm averaging about 2 to 3 bars here where it's set. So I actually, let me go ahead and place it by the window where I'm gonna have it connected. That way it's fair not to move it out, and it doesn't move that antenna or anything. Speed test. So let's see what kind of speeds we get on it. So you should see AT&T internet. There we go. So go ahead and let it do its speed test, and let's see. I'm gonna do 2 of each. So this is without the Mimo antenna. Whoa, what the? Jesus, look at that. I'm almost getting 30. What the flip? So this is about 9:12 p.m. So on a Monday, so it looks like the towers are not congested at all. Wow, look at that speed. What the? This is without the antenna booster. Wow. Double speeds do seem to be failing a little bit. It's 3.4. There you go. The the connection speed definitely got better. So Sunday when I tried it out yesterday or Saturday, um, the speeds, guys, I'm averaging around here around 5. Whoa, look at that! What the crap? So I'm averaging. I'll show you the averages in just a little bit, and then I did test this out a couple times. So look at that. This is the second time without the antenna. Wow, wow! Look at that, 35 almost. So like I said, the upload speed definitely could do a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug up the antenna and see if it makes any difference. Okay, okay, it's a little bit better. And this is by the window too, so. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug up the antenna and see if it makes any difference, guys. Alright guys, so there we go. I went ahead and plugged up the antenna. I'm still seeing the same bars, about 3, but I am consistently staying on 3 bars now compared to when I first did this. As you can see, I have it there connected to the antenna up there. So it is to a window where the signal says it's the best. But definitely before I was averaging about 2 to 3 bars. Now it's staying at 3 bars. So let's go ahead and do a speed test and see how well that does. So let me show you that sorry for moving it. So let me go ahead and show you that I am still on the hotspot, my dude. There you go, as you can see. So let's go ahead and do a speed test, guys. And with the Mimo antenna and see if it makes any difference. So same thing, AT&T internet. And I will have links in the description below, guys. If you use my link, my referral link and promo code, you will be able to save $10 on your month of service. So instead of $60 a month, you will be able to get it for $10 less. So wow, look at that. I'm getting actually worse speeds. A lot worse speeds. Whoa, what is this? I'm actually getting worse speeds with the Mimo antenna. I'm actually about half. My upload speed definitely is going up. So supposedly we're supposed to give it a couple minutes for it to kind of settle in with the signal. So hopefully it does a little bit better. Wow. So wow, yeah, I'm getting about half speeds now with it, which is kind of weird. It is improving a little bit, so that's where it says the antenna is. But I will try one more location, which is supposed to be real good too. But I don't know, guys. That's where it says the tower's at. Oh, okay, there we go. It's going back to average. So one more test. So it is starting to improve. So maybe that's what we have to do. Just wait a little bit for it to get a better signal. Okay, there we go. Oh, so it's averaging now about. So it looks like your speeds will stay the same, but the main difference now is you will get more signal, consistent 3 bars compared to only 2. So it is improving the signal at that. Cool, cool, cool. So one last one. See what it does. Wow, what is this, guys? So, like I said, it varies a lot. Look at that. And I'm gonna try it without the Mimo antenna one more time, just to make sure that it's not just a fluke or anything like that. Wow. So let's try it now without the Mimo antenna. Alright guys, so now this is without the Mimo antenna. I unplugged it. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what it does. Now I did notice once I took off the antenna right away, it dropped down from 3 bars to 2 bars. So definitely, I mean, it is helping it get internet or signal definitely. But I don't know, the speeds seem to suffer a little bit. So as you can see, I mean, definitely it fluctuates a lot. This is without the Mimo antenna. Now I'm getting 10. So it looks like maybe the antenna is helping quite a bit. So there we go. So definitely now it looks like I was getting double the speeds with the Mimo antenna compared to without it. At first it looked like I was getting excellent speeds without it, but now that we're doing it without it at the same location, let's do one more. It looks like actually I'm getting slower speeds without it, and it went from 3 bars of steady connection now to 2, sometimes 3, but like I said, it fluctuates from 3 to 2. So as you can see, it just depends, guys. Wow, look at that. So as you can see, it fluctuates. It goes up and down, and that's what it is. It's cell phone connection. Also depends on the time of day and everything, but definitely will improve your cellular connection. So if you have this and you only have it like 2 bars, you will be able to get at least 3 bars or full max. So let's go ahead and do one more. Like I said, this is without it. There you go. I mean, these speeds, guys, it's fast enough to do anything really. You can play Xbox on it fine. You should be able to basically do anything you want with it. So pretty cool. And let's go ahead and take one more. So there we go, the speeds, upload speed. So it's staying consistently about 15 now, compared to with Mimo antenna, I was reaching almost 30 at some times. So as you can see, but sometimes I was getting without it. So it all depends, guys. It's not super consistent, you know, but it definitely improves. Here's the speed test. So you can see with the Mimo antenna, I was getting about 27. Compared without it, I was getting about 10, 11, 17, 15, 36. It looks like some of them as well. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, this 34 actually I got without it. So like I said, it just depends on times and stuff. It's not super consistent, but here are the results. So thank you for watching, guys. Please come and subscribe. I will have a link of this product in the description below so you can buy your own. So I would say definitely, if maybe you're in a place where you only have 2 bars or 1 bar and you want, you know, some connection or some internet, you definitely want to get this product so it can boost it up to another bar at least, and that extra bar can definitely help a lot. So in my results, yes, it did help, but remember, this is a $30 product, under $30 actually. It's like 27 some change, so that does justify the price. It's not like I paid, you know, $500 for it and I'm barely getting any resold. So definitely it's worth a buy in my book if you just want it. I mean, it's 30 bucks. It will help a little bit. Just make sure you put it at the window and you shoot it towards your closest cellular tower. So Dragon Warfare sign off, guys. If you want to get this product, all description below. Use my referral link and promo code to save some money. Thank you, guys. Helps me out, helps you out. So thank you.